Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of Bitcoin, this digital currency that's shaking up the market and social media. But what exactly is this thing called Bitcoin? Let's get into it. Bitcoin first appeared in 2008, created by a mysterious person, or group, named Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea was to create a currency independent of governments or central banks, something totally new and revolutionary. Just think. Money that you have complete control over without depending on anyone. Crazy, right? Now check out how this works. Bitcoin is a digital currency, which means it only exists in the virtual world. But hold on, this doesn't mean it's any less real. It's stored in digital wallets and moved in transactions over the internet. The cool part is that all of this is recorded in a system called blockchain, which acts like a public and super secure ledger. Speaking of blockchain, this technology is what makes Bitcoin so special. Every transaction made with Bitcoin is added to this ledger, distributed across a network of computers worldwide. This makes Bitcoin transparent and almost impossible to counterfeit. It's like a trust game, but in real life. You might be wondering, but why is Bitcoin worth so much money? The answer is supply and demand. Since Bitcoin has a limit of 21 million coins that can be created, it becomes rare, like a digital piece of art. The more people want Bitcoin, the higher its value goes. Simple as that. Now, if you want to ride this wave, there are two ways to get Bitcoin: buying or mining. Buying is easy, just use real money to buy Bitcoin at a cryptocurrency exchange. Mining is more complex, involving solving complicated mathematical problems in exchange for bitcoins. It's like being a digital treasure hunter. But hey, be alert. Bitcoin is famous for its price fluctuations. One day, the value can skyrocket, and the next, plummet. This makes Bitcoin quite the adventure for those who enjoy a bit of adrenaline in the investment world. And the future? Well, Bitcoin has already proven that it's not just a passing fad. More and more companies and countries are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. This could just be the beginning of a financial revolution. Who knows? So, is it worth investing in Bitcoin? It depends. If you're into technology, new things, and aren't afraid of taking risks, Bitcoin might be a good fit. But remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin is an incredible ride, but it needs to be played responsibly. Did you enjoy learning more about Bitcoin? Share with your friends, and let's continue exploring this digital world together.